Let's take a look up to North Texas. This was going back 24 hours. You can see every one of these magenta boxes is a flash flood warning. And look at how many were issued around Dallas, Fort Worth. Wichita Falls saw a whole bunch. And then as that line of storms exited Dallas, Fort Worth and headed in our direction, plenty more flash flood warnings. And then as it reached our northern counties, thankfully, it lost its punch. We did have a few hold together, a few of these storms, long enough that we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings last night. But things have diminished in intensity and moved off to the east. We're just a little too stable in the atmosphere right now for those storms to have survived. Today, however, and tomorrow, there's a chance of additional severe weather and flooding. So for today and tomorrow, this is how it's looking. There's a marginal chance of severe weather today in our northern counties. And let me jump back. I'll show you tomorrow. There's a marginal chance from Harris County north. But I really think tomorrow is the day we'll see the flooding come to fruition, unfortunately. There is a marginal chance of that for today. But look at tomorrow. The Weather Prediction Center has the majority of southeast Texas under a slight risk of flooding tomorrow. And while that might not sound like a lot because it's just a slight risk, it's actually level 2 of 4 on their particular meter, if you will. And so tomorrow, I'll show you here in the Futurecast, it doesn't look good, okay? The storms will fire up around noon and last probably at least until 7 or 8 p.m., bringing very heavy rain and the potential for any kind of severe weather. That's on the table, too. 76 right now out the door, though. Your day planner looks not bad. Most of the day is going to stay dry. Then we'll get to about 3 or 4 p.m. I can show you in the Futurecast here now. And then we'll start bringing in some of that heating of the day, enough so, along with a couple of boundaries that will be moving in. You can see here, and another one on the top right of your screen, brings a chance of some storms around 4 p.m. until about 9 p.m. And then we'll lose some of that heat and some of that forcing, and we'll start seeing those storms die off till about 9 or 10 p.m. at the latest. Then Friday afternoon, watch how things start ramping up around noon to 1 p.m. First up in our northern counties and northern Harris County. And then very quickly, we'll see this line of storms come together. And this is not good, obviously. Looking at this big band of storms moving through Harris County, it'll slide to the south. And it's not until at least sunset that we get a break from that activity as it dwindles and dies off in the overnight hours into early Saturday. And then the amount of rain that we can expect, well, today, overall, our northern counties could see about a ½ inch to an inch. And that's, on top of what you had last night. Hopefully shouldn't cause any issues with flooding, but if you do get about another inch plus, it could cause some isolated, localized flooding. But it's tomorrow. Look at what happens in the afternoon. Like that, we see rainfall totals jump to 5 inches potentially in the Houston area. That is going to cause, if that occurs, and it looks likely that some areas will see that kind of rain tomorrow, that would cause flooding, of course. And so that's the main concern for Friday. And really, Friday is the main concern of the forecast. The weekend looks great, warm and dry.